2022 was a year of improving life at home for our consumers, our employees, and our planet. We're making progress on our global commitment to reach a net zero emissions target in our plants and operations by 2030, broke ground on a wind farm in Texas, and instituted changes at our plants worldwide to save electricity, water, and eliminate waste. House and home is still our focus, as we continued with our goal to build 250 energy-efficient, climate-resilient homes through Habitat for Humanity under their Build Better with Whirlpool initiative, and an expansion of the Feel Good Fridge program to put easily accessible food into refurbished fridges donated to community centers to combat food insecurity across the U.S. Now in its 8th year and impacting schools in 37 states, the Care Counts Laundry program continues to grow and boost attendance rates across the U.S. Nearly 70% of high-risk elementary students saw an increase in attendance at participating schools. Our company and employee contributions generated nearly $4.5 million for United Way of Southwest Michigan and United Way chapters near our U.S. manufacturing plants, helping to bring people together to build stronger communities. We supported FIRST Robotics teams, sponsored a summer tech program for youth, and gave plant tours to encourage students to pursue STEM careers. It was also a year for awards, with Whirlpool Corporation being named one of America's most just companies, a perfect 100 score on the Human Rights Campaign's Corporate Equality Index, Forbes' list of America's best employers, and Fortune's list of the world's most admired companies. And Newsweek's list of the most responsible companies coming in at number 3. With Whirlpool Corporation being named a top company for executive women and multicultural women by Seramount, and a best place to work for disability inclusion. We were also named to the number 5 position on the Management Top 250, announced by the Wall Street Journal. And we were named to the 2022 Dow Jones Sustainability World Index. Throughout our history, our focus on driving a culture deeply rooted in our enduring values has not changed. We remain determined to do the right things the right way and have a steadfast commitment to sound corporate governance and ethics, all while continuing our commitment to be the best global kitchen and laundry company in constant pursuit of improving life at home.